lights are on, the grandfather clock is ticking, and time is about up. It's the final chance to make the championship 4. It's the NASCAR Hall of Fame 200, and it's the penultimate race in the playoffs.
Copy yet, Head?
Yes, sir. I got it.
Past your bedtime yet?
Getting there, for sure. Close.
Got a copy, TJ?
I'm here. I heard the nervousness in your voice. All right, nice and smooth here. Focus on the curve. Come to the green. Ready? Green, 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 green. Power back with us. So square. Try to be a little bit easier on those brakes, man. We're blowing that right front pretty hard here. 88's pushing the 21 here. Still 3. Clear, clear, clear. Be smooth now. Let's look at the 2. You pick him apart. You're way better than he is. Cross the dog. Got one wrecking over at turn 4. Gonna be coming back at 2 to go. That'll be a stage one there. Nice job. All right, you control the start. 21 behind.
We're going green.
He's locked up the left front there. Still inside 88 by 2 behind him. Be smooth. Be smarter than he is. He burns this crap up. Motor issue. Don't tip us through the hood. It's like it's blowing out. That's all. Just focus on your job here, bud. You see this 2 struggling. I got a flat. He's orange box. Don't hit the orange box.
Green hits pit road. New leader Zane Smith at the restart.
Daughter did not think about listening. Just 1 inside now. That's 2 inside, still that's 22, just trying to make something out of nothing. 1 to go up the line, one more time.
Wow, Friesen grabs the lead.
Green checkered here. There you go, bud. Nice work. All right, we did our job right here, okay? Now we're going to push and get smart. All right, man, coming back to the green. Be 74 to go when you get here. There you go. Johnny got a good one. 1 inside. Still down there. You have a great exit, and you're clear. Clear, clear. So we're in decent shape right now, but we got to go because of these other guys winning.
What if Grant Enfinger wins this race?
Man, you're nicer than me. Yeah, it's game over. Yep. Lock it down. Lock it down. You should be the leader here. He never passed you. Now you're going to get every shot out of that 23. Trying to help his teammate out to 21.
1.5. Be ready here. That's what happened last time. He's going to ship him. Get ready to bottom.
He is there. He's there.
Be ready for a bump. Inside, inside. Start to bottom. Okay, he's inside already. 98 here.
Moffitt's like, wait a minute, I thought I got rid of you a while back.
99 hits you. Hang on to it. Spin it.
And killed. Yep. Awesome. B2 to go right here. That's what you live for. Go to work.
Here we go at Martinsville. A couple of laps left. Gets the edge on Rhodes and takes the lead.
Coming right to you by Puma 99. Giving you a shot. What the hell? Inside, clear low, white flag.
Enfinger is going to come around. He has to win the race to make it to the championship 4.
Hell yeah, boys. We're going to Phoenix to win for a championship. Got to go. Thank you, guys. All right, guys. We just did bring the heat today. God, I can't take that. I'm too old for this. Thank you, guys. Got one more thing to go do.
For more great NASCAR on Fox content, subscribe to our channel. It's somewhere right around here.